Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to get moving wallpaper on Android. Here's a step guide to get and use moving live wallpapers on your Android phone. First, unlock your Android phone and go to the home screen. Make sure you're connected to the internet, Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type moving wallpaper or live wallpaper. Then browse through apps like Wallpapers by Google, Zedge, Wallcraft, or Live Wallpapers HD or 3D. So I choose the Zedge app. Tap on the chosen app you preferred and then tap Install. After installation, open the Live Wallpaper app from your app drawer. Scroll through the moving wallpaper collection available in the app. You can do this by going to Wallpaper, then tap Video Wallpapers, and tap on your preferred collection. Tap on wallpaper you like to preview it. If you want to use it, tap the Download button, then hit Set Video Wallpaper, and tap Set Wallpaper. If prompted, choose whether to apply it on your home screen, lock screen, or both. Wait a moment while the wallpaper is set. Return to your home screen and see your new moving wallpaper in action. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.